Burp Suite, a powerful tool used in web application penetration testing. Developed by Darfur Studdard from the Pod Suite, Burp Suite has become the industrial standard for the security professionals. It's mainly known as its interceptions proxy, which let us view, modify, and analyze HTTP and HTTPS traffic between browser and a web server. So why do we use Burp Suite? It is incredibly useful for the identifying common web vulnerabilities like SQL injections, cross-site scripting, and cross-site request forwarding. You can modify cookies, headers, and parameters on the fly. It also supports testing and GraphQL and Snap APIs, making it versatile for the modern web application. The most important part for the Burp Suite is a proxy setup. You configure your browser to route traffic through Burp by setting the proxy to this IP address. Then visit HTTP burps to install the burps CA certificate, which allow burps to decrypt HTTP's traffic. This setup is the fundamental for all other testing functions in the burp suites. Let's now explore the main tools inside burp suites. Each tool plays a unique role in the typical testing workflow. Here is a simple example of how interceptions work using the proxy. First, enable intercepts in burps, then fill out and submit a log forms in your browser. Burps capture the request. You can now modify parameters, for example, changing admin false to admin true. Then, forward request to see how the service responds. This is useful for finding issues like authentications bypass. You send the capture request to repeater, modify it, and resend it repeatedly. This is ideal for the testing things like SQL injections, session tools behavior, and more. You can observe how the server responds to slice changes in input, which helps you fine-tune your testing. Intruder is Burp's automation tool. You define the part of request you want to attack, add a list of payloads like SQL injects, strings or XSS splits, and the large data. Intruder then cycles through all payloads and reports which one receives interesting and unexpected response. It's perfect for the burp force, parameter fuzzing, and logic flow detection. Here is a quick summary of how the traffic burp suite works goes. Your browser sends traffic, burp's proxy intercepts. Then you analyze and edit. Then your repeater or intruder for the deeper testing. And finally analyze the result. It is complete loop for interceptions and exploitation. Burp Suite makes it possible to manually test real-world vulnerabilities in a safe, controlled environment. You can simulate attacks that would otherwise be hard to reproduce, such as session hijacking, weak authentication, or tool manipulation. It is a core tool ethic hacking and regularly used in the professional bug bound and security audit work.